Okay, class 9. Today we will be trying to understand about the basic concept of geometry. Okay, so to understand the basic concept of geometry, first thing we need to understand few points. Okay, and then we have to solve the exercise with the lines and angles and triangles. Okay, so what happens is when we are talking about the lines and angles, we need to remember certain things. Okay, what exactly it is and how it works. Okay, so I will try to explain you about the basic concept of lines and angles. Okay, so the first thing is the point. The first thing you need to understand is about point. Okay, so in this point what happens is point actually will give you the position at what point it is located. So the point will try to provide us with the informations of position. Okay, and those collection of points actually will give you a line. So collection of point is called a line. Okay, so in that line, if we have cut that line into two pieces, then that is called as your line segment. Okay, so the first thing is point, second thing is the collection of point, that is line. And when in that part of line, when we measure some 2 points out here, this part A to B, this part is known as line segment. Okay, when a line that travels only in one direction, then that is your ray. Okay, so when that two ray meet at one point, then that point is called your vertex. That point is called your vertex, and angle between those, the distance between those, we called it as angle. Okay, so these are lines and this is your angle. So how it becomes lines and angles? Okay, so these are the basic point, first point that you need to understand. The first point was point only, that is your position. Second is your line. Third is your line segment. Fourth is your rays. Rays means line that is passing only in one direction is called your rays. When two rays meet, then that is your vertex. Then in between those we called it as a angle or angles. Okay, so there are different types of angles around us. So first we have is acute angle. Acute angle means the angle that lies between 0 to 90 degree. That lies between 0 to 90. Suppose 67 degree, 43 degree, all these are acute angle. And the another one we have is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle that lies in between 90 and 180 degree. Okay, 90 degree and 180 degree, that is your obtuse angle. The third angle we have is right angle. So right angle means exactly it is equal to 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree straight. So that is your right angle. So first your acute. Acute means it is in between 0 to 90. Obtuse means it is between 90 to 180. And right angle means it is between it is exactly equals to 90 degree. Straight angle means the angle that is equal to 180 degree. In a line we always have 180 degree. Okay, the another point we have is reflex angle. So reflex angle is more than 180 but it is less than 360. So that is your reflex angle. Okay, then you have is then next we have is complete angle. Complete angle means it is always equals to 360 degree. So whole this is your 360 degree. Okay, this is the basic point of types of angles. Okay, and then we have linear pair. Linear pair angle. Linear pair means in one line if we have two angles, this is your angle 1, this is your angle 2. So when we have two angles in one single line, then we call it as a linear pair. Okay, and another we have is complementary angle. Complementary means when two angles, the sum of two angles, when it will be equal to 90 degree, then that is your complementary angle. Suppose we have one is 45 degree, then another will also be 45 degree. So they are complement to each other. Okay, these are called 45 plus 45 is 90. So this, if we have 30, then 30 plus 60 it is 90. So they are complementary to each other. This is your complementary angles. Okay, then supplementary means when we have two angles and when we add them, angle 1 and angle 2, it has to come 180 degree, 180. So here suppose we have 130 degree, then another will be 50, so it will give you 180. If suppose we have 100, then another will be 80, so 180 degree. So they are supplement to each other. Okay, then another we have is vertically opposite angles. This vertically opposite means if we have two line segment or two lines A, B, C, D, we have two line segment intersecting at O, then these angle vertex, this is your vertex, opposite to it, they are vertically opposite angle. This angle and these angles are also equal. So this is your vertically opposite. This is going upwards, this is going downwards. So they are opposite to each other, but their angle will be equal. So this is your vertically opposite angle. So these all are things that we need for solving our exercise. Okay, so this is your basic understanding about the geometry. Okay, so after this we'll be trying to solve the exercise. Okay, thank you.